The Inverted Classroom Approach workshop is part of the Audio Softs for Teaching Erasmus Plus project. To do before the workshop, I ask that you please watch the tutorial Audio Softs for Teaching the Inverted Classroom Approach. You can also find this link in the summary of this tutorial below. Also, please take a look at the tools mentioned in the tutorial: Moodle, H5P, and Screencast-O-Matic. Before attending the workshop, please reflect on and answer the following questions. Come prepared with your questions. Before we start an activity on creating your own inverted classroom lesson plan, you'll have an opportunity to ask me some questions. And so let's have some fun on March 18th at 10 a.m. UCT. Together we'll discuss the inverted classroom approach, and you'll learn about some ways to implement this into your language classes. Just a little detail, you'll receive the link via email one day before the event, so stay tuned.